Hey guys, don't forget that if you're looking to get in on the action of trading Dogecoin and earning profit from it with some added advantage, you can capitalize on our 5% off offer on Binance. You'll get a 5% discount off every trade that you make with Dogecoin or any other cryptocurrency of your choosing. All you have to do is follow the link in the description and sign up to enjoy this offer. Welcome back to Crypto Fox. Today we'll be looking at some of Mark Cuban's most recent statements regarding Dogecoin from recent interviews. We'll also be taking a quick look at the analysis of the funding chart for Dogecoin. If you're watching a video on this channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to the channel and turning on post notifications so that you know the moment we upload new content. Billionaire Mark Cuban now prefers Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin to bananas, apparently. He claims that Doge is better than a lottery ticket. Speaking on the Ellen DeGeneres show, billionaire entrepreneur Mark Cuban has explained why Doge seems like a good thing to him, also touching on Bitcoin and Ethereum. According to Mark Cuban's Monday tweet, he was going to be on the Ellen DeGeneres show to talk about Doge. The famous entrepreneur who, as early as last year, laughed publicly at Bitcoin, saying that he would rather invest in bananas since they are edible and Bitcoin is not, has become converted to the new faith of NFTs and digital currencies, which he used to despise. On the show, he told host Ellen DeGeneres that Bitcoin is the digital equivalent of gold, Ethereum is a digital equivalent of currency, and NFT is a cool digital collectible that kids can carry on their phones and buy and sell as they would with physical collectible items. Cuban also told the host about Dogecoin, which he very recently became a big fan of. The billionaire explained that the coin started as a joke back in 2013 and a few months ago, it turned into a real craze and has been going up in price. The rise is mostly thanks to Elon Musk's tweets. Mark Cuban shared that he had bought some Doge for his son, Jake. He believes that Dogecoin is good to invest in since people are using this coin actively now, and more large Western companies are accepting Doge as a payment system. Even if it doesn't go up in price, anyone can always use Doge to buy stuff at the Maverick store, the shop of the NBA's Dallas Mavericks, owned by Mark Cuban. Anything from tickets to future games to merchandise. The store accepts Doge via BitPay. In April, the crypto transaction operator expects to have 6,000 Doge transactions on the books at the Maverick store. Doge remains the favorite coin of visionary Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk. Tesla holds Bitcoin on its balance sheet and accepts it as payment for automobiles. There is a chance that he could lunge into Dogecoin as well after certain terms are met. He specifically said that Dogecoin concentration has to be reorganized for it to really grow. Observing the most recent movements of Dogecoin on the intraday charts, we've seen Dogecoin surge above a symmetrical triangle pattern and readies for liftoff to 40 cents. Prior to any move at that level, there's been a return to the 35 cents price range level. The most immediate support level is at 30 cents, against which the price trend will have to defend itself. It's been suggested that in any case, we may see a correction towards the 27 cents level before we're ready for a bounce back to the upside. A few days ago, Dogecoin took bold steps to lead the price action of the entire crypto market as it broke ahead of the other lagging cryptocurrencies. This action occurred following a tweet by Elon Musk. Doge spiked by more than 20%, hitting 35 cents for the first time in more than a week. According to CoinGape, Musk said that he would be the Doge father as he hosts the Saturday Night Live show. His fealty to Dogecoin has often been discussed since it started rallying extensively at the beginning of the year. It has almost become a normal thing to expect a tweet about Dogecoin from the CEO of Tesla, who once said that he would put a literal Dogecoin on the moon. Currently, the coin trades at about 32 cents, with a technical breakout on the horizon. From this level, the bulls are looking forward to a surge to above 40 cents. However, the movement had both bullish and bearish biases. If, as expected, the price slices through the upper trend line of Dogecoin, a breakout is anticipated. A spike in trading volume confirms the breakout, which has a precise target measured from the highest to the lowest points. It's worth noting that the moving average convergence-divergence affirms the uptrend. As the indicator crossed into the positive region, it became apparent that buyers had taken control. In addition, the MACD line holds above the signal line, thus cementing the bull's influence. Dogecoin seems to be closing the gap and edging towards a potential move to $1, but it could face an uphill task to get beyond 50 cents. This may be due to the slowing momentum of the traders in the market. Dogecoin is still flying in space around its historic high at 42 cents. At 32 cents, it has a clear path towards 50 cents, which serves as the first resistance ahead of the coin. It could cause a possible delay to the expected upswing. If the supports at 30 cents can't be maintained, a slip to 25 or 27 cents is possible. The journey of Dogecoin has been quite consistent lately as it hits record highs consecutively. It's repeatedly tested a single run to break the resistance at 50 cents and then renew itself to attempt to break for $1. If it breaks the various barriers on the way, investors will be encouraged to increase their positions, speculating the ultimate lift to $1. That's been the goal for some time now, and we might just see that happen soon enough. As of last week, the coin was exchanging hands at about 27 cents. This was the result of the correction that was undergoing at the time, and it almost seemed as if it was dipping into a bearish outlook. But its bearish nature was maintained, and staying at that level was crucial to seeing it return to about 32 cents. The new support at 30 cents is crucial to the ongoing uptrend, therefore it shouldn't be lost. The moving average convergence-divergence points towards a move upwards by observing the momentum of Dogecoin based on its trend. However, it doesn't say whether the coin is overbought or oversold, it identifies positions to sell the top and buy the dip. The signs are positive as the price is currently maintaining the divergence from the signal line that points to a bullish outlook. If the current position remains static for a bit longer, Dogecoin will gather enough momentum for an ultimate spike towards $1. On the downside, there are a couple of other support levels identified as possible safe zones for the coin to linger. For instance, support set at 25 cents will be quite attractive to buyers, and we may have a sort of rush for the crypto. Right below it is 25 cents and then 18 cents. All these are seen as potential buy zones that could play out to attract buyers. According to FX Street, Dogecoin could be on the verge of a massive upswing that could retest its recently set up all-time highs. Dogecoin price has been trudging around the 23 cents level since it crashed nearly 62% a few days ago. Now, Doge seems to be trying to break past a crucial supply zone that extends from 26 cents to 30 cents. A successful breach of this area could form a foothold that allows the meme-themed cryptocurrency to retest its all-time high at 45 cents. Looking at this context, the overly obvious selling signal that looms over Dogecoin is expected to flip bullish, and we may see an increase in the buying pace of investors. If the coin will take a hit at 50 cents, it needs to only grow about 55% to reach that target. Interestingly, the funding rate for Dogecoin is on a sharp recovery from being negative to almost zero, which shows that speculators are expecting Doge to surge higher. Hence, a large portion of the crowd has turned optimistic about the meme coin. The rate of buying is overturning the sell-off that had affected it during the dip. All in all, Dogecoin price looks bullish. But the catch with its bullish thesis is that it has to clear the immediate supply zone. However, a failure to stay above it or breach it will result in a correction to 23 cents. A breakdown of this level will invalidate the bullish thesis and trigger a 10% correction to 20 cents. There you have it. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider giving it a like, sharing it with your friends, maybe subscribing to the channel and turning on post notifications as well. Have you invested in Dogecoin yet? If not, what's keeping you? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of the videos on your screen. And again, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Hollywood perfect. That's how it goes. Hollywood perfect.